एक्सरसाइज नंबर 136 कहता है You may be interested in the following theory concerning the periodic appearance of depression in almost all branches of trade. First up, experience shows that the most probable cause of this common trouble is that prices have suddenly fallen after a period of speculation during which prices have been unusual high. First up, the high prices occasioned during the period of speculation may have resulted from the expectation of a shortage in the supply of some particular commodity or some other similar cause. First up, eager buying helps to produce the expected rise in prices, and the first buyers seem to have the ability to make a huge profit. First up, their success encourages others, and the speculative spirit spreads to all commodities. First up, borrower use of their credit, bankers are willing to lend, and a general spirit of recklessness prevailed. First up, after a while, however, the upward trend of prices series. First up, when those who held stock wish to realize a reaction comes and prices begin to fall. First up, they started falling so rapidly that everyone seems to be losing. First up, credit is obtained only with great difficulty. First up, no one will part with ready money or postpone his claim to it. Merchants cannot meet their obligation, and many firms fail because they are unable to obtain credit to which they are accustomed. First up, this is what we call a commercial crisis. First up, in extreme cases, there is added a financial panic as groundless as the former overconfidence, and money is borrowed for short period at a ruins rate of interest. First up, prices of commodities and stocks then fall as much below the usual level as they had risen above that level during the period of inflation. First up,